and keep going. Yeah, it's not exactly high enough to clear this entirely, I don't think.
Well, the thing is, we'd have about a floor-ish less.
It's good enough. There's bound to be a route. We could cut a route and remove the tree stumps anyways.
Well, basically what I was saying, hold on, was
A
that
flight path.
we are... Fucker! Fucking moose just exists. I just exist and the thing punts me. Oh, I lost my train of thought. Oh, right. We are getting a full 8 blocks. I did the math. Just briefly. If we were jumping off the 8th story, right? We'd only get 7. Due to a glider taking time to catch on.
Whoa! Calvin!
Right?
Say what?
So basically, the glider takes a few seconds to start gliding.
Yeah.
So that extra jump from the thing gives us a full 8-story flight. And a starting speed boost.
Ready for takeoff? Oh no.